Today we'll be showcasing our I-tip microlink extensions. I actually handmade and pre-tipped these extensions for my client today who has two different densities in her hair. For the back, I made regular size I-tips. In the front, I made smaller ones to accommodate the density she has in the front of her hair. Before we did the installation, I gave my client a treatment, a silk press, and a trim to make sure that we started off with a very good foundation. Made sure that it was moisturized. And for our install today, I ended up using 175 pieces of our Indian hair. This install is one of my favorite installations to do. I think it's very versatile. I think it looks very, very natural. You can still get to your scalp. However, it is a very high maintenance hairstyle, and it is not for anyone who is not used to doing their hair, who's not interested in doing their hair. It is a high maintenance hairstyle, but you have to know how to take care of the style in order to wear this particular style. My client actually didn't want a lot of length. She really just wanted a little more volume, and she wanted a little more density so she can be able to throw her hair up in a bun or a high ponytail without looking in the mirror. And I think we achieved that today. I think she looks very natural. I think she likes it. And if you have any questions about this install, please visit my website at www.plentifulhairstudio.com. Here at Plentiful Hair Studio, we do all things adding hair. We do hair extensions, we do non-surgical hair replacement, and we do hair restoration. And we do everything with your hair in mind. We're not just about doing anything. Everybody is not a candidate for every service. So again, visit my website at www.plentifulhairstudio.com. And thank you for watching my video.